Hello everyone. Today, we will be discussing a renewable energy source that is gaining importance worldwide: biogas. Biogas is a byproduct of organic matter decomposition, and it is produced from various sources such as animal waste, agricultural waste, food waste, and even from organic materials in landfills. The main component of biogas is methane, a potent greenhouse gas that is about 25 times more effective at trapping heat than carbon dioxide. Biogas can be converted into energy in the form of electricity and heat, which can be used for cooking, heating, and other domestic purposes. It can also be used to power small-scale industries, vehicles, and even homes. There are several benefits of using biogas as a renewable energy source. It is a biodegradable resource, which means it can be broken down naturally by microorganisms present in the soil or waste materials. This process does not emit any greenhouse gases, and it helps in reducing the pollution levels in the atmosphere. Another advantage of biogas is that it can be converted into a circular economy resource. The organic materials that are used to produce biogas can be converted back into fertilizer, which can be used to grow more crops or feed animals, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers and minimizing waste. In conclusion, biogas is a versatile and renewable energy source with numerous benefits. It can help in reducing greenhouse gas emissions, improve air quality, and create a circular economy. By adopting practices that involve using biogas, we can contribute to a greener and more sustainable future.